Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a validation form in JavaScript. We'll start by setting up a basic HTML form. Then, we'll dive into writing simple JavaScript functions to check user input. This easy method ensures your forms are robust and user-friendly, providing immediate feedback to help users correct their entries efficiently. You'll see how straightforward it is to implement essential checks. First, let's build our HTML form. Include input fields for things like name, email, and a password. Remember to give each input a unique ID, which is crucial for JavaScript to access them. Also, add a submit button. We'll attach our validation function to this button's click event, ensuring checks run before the form attempts to send data. Now for the JavaScript. We'll write functions to grab the values from our HTML inputs. For example, check if a field is empty. We can also use a basic regular expression to validate email formats. For passwords, ensure they meet a minimum length, perhaps 8 characters. If any check fails, we'll display an error message next to the problematic field. Finally, let's handle feedback. If validation fails, display a clear, concise error message right next to the input field. Crucially, prevent the form from submitting until all validation checks pass. This ensures only correct data is processed. Once everything is valid, the form can proceed with its intended action, providing a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.